is what beaners do when there's a snowstorm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I wish we had something like that.
Somebody
This is the only time they're ever gonna feel like they're climbing Mount Everest.
White people climb Mount Everest. Okay, 7 o'clock to be like, oh man, let's see if I was like, I hope we don't have school
Guess
today.
not.
I'll check that thing. 7 o'clock in the morning, it was just like, nope.
No school.
Woohoo.
Hi, Beaner.
But damn, my books don't come, probably not going to come until Saturday.
Sucks for you.
Yep.
White people climb Mount Everest. Beaners climb their roofs.
To clear the snow.
Oh, I love it. I'm just hope. I hope freaking Daddy doesn't fall.
That is not enough for us.
No, puppy! It's going to be like Vertical Limit. Hold on to my hand. Don't let go. I will never forget you.
Hold it. No, Mommy.
Okay, Gabby, you're going to have to jump off the roof though. Slip and slide, spin aside, slip and slide, down the roof.
That's a bunch of shitload of snow.
Yeah, that's why the roof is creaking. I don't know how they're going to do the other side.
We're gonna be the only neighborhood that has their roof cleaned.
Hey, we're going to be the smart ones. Alright? I mean, look at that. That house can cave in on itself. It's going to snow on possibly Friday and Saturday.
Bean roof. Planning on making a ramp over there so you can just slide off from one roof to the next. Stupid kid. That's sad sign. It's not the cable guy, it's the snowman guy.
When you got nothing else.
Yeah, look at all that. Again? I wanted to go look at the car. It's gone. Gotta dig him out again. He's a freaking jacker.
Oh, Luis broke his plow, so he's not going to be able to find him.
I know. Look, it's sunshine.
He's dirty.
Sunshine. It is gone.
I want to go up there.
You can't.
What are the chances of Daddy and Kika falling? He's like, I'll hold you. Just kidding.
I mean, they do have to fall wood. But I mean, seriously.
He's all right.
Can I go up there?
No.
No, it's slippery.
You're using my Uggs.
Seriously, now we're using her Uggs.
Yeah.
No, you cannot come out here. You're not.
Daddy swear he's like climbing a mountain or something. He got his thing tied around and everything.
Well, yeah, I think it's slippery.
It's the lumberman! He could be in the Bounty commercial. No, it's that lumber guy commercial?
Oh, lumberjack?
Lumberjack. It's Lumber Beaner. What? Yeah. Shut up, stupid kid.